Oh! If you drop this egg on the floor, it breaks instantly. But the moment you put it in your hand and try to crush it, it doesn't break. There's an interesting science behind it, and engineers are using it to build structures, domes, and buildings. We're gonna hand over these eggs to different people and see if they're able to break it with their bare hands or not. Let's start the challenge. Bro, I have a challenge for you.
Okay.
So you'll have to crush this egg by placing it in your palm. Okay? There are 3 conditions. So one condition is like there shouldn't be any cracks on the egg, and you will have to place the egg in the center of your palm. That's the second condition. Third condition, you shouldn't wear any rings or accessories in your hand. Okay?
And his name is John C.
No matter how hard anyone tries, this egg won't just break. And when people ask, don't we have enough strength to break it? Actually, we do.
How?
But science isn't allowing us to crush it. Take a look at this egg closely. It's oval in shape, and moreover, it's made of calcium carbonate. So when you press it using your palm, the pressure spreads evenly all around the shell. Every point on your hand receives and distributes that pressure equally. This creates uniform compressive stress throughout the shell. Moreover, eggshell is made of interlocking calcium carbonate crystals. These crystals form a load-sharing network, so the force travels across the shell like ripples without breaking the egg. That's why many architectural structures like domes, bridges, and arches are built inspired by this oval-shaped geometry. So it will be able to withstand an enormous amount of compressive force. So when a force is applied, it gets distributed throughout the structure without breaking. And many mattress companies claim that their mattresses are the softest. You know what they do? They place this egg on the mattress and sit over it. It doesn't break. This is the softest chair in the world. So let me place this egg on this chair and sit down. Don't fall for such false marketing. This egg can teach us a lot of complex engineering concepts that even kids can understand. We at Chitti Future School are teaching future skills to students using simple real-world applications. More than 20,000 plus students are building airplanes, solar power cars, crawling bots, sensor-based technologies, and many amazing projects. Your child can also experience this level of hands-on learning. For that, we are conducting a free demo session. The link is in the description. Do check it out. And coming back, eggs are strong in compression, but very weak when it comes to tensile or point loads. That's why the moment you put on a ring and apply a force, that constant compression breaks and the egg cracks. This is why some people were able to break the eggs. They applied pressure unevenly and the eggshells cracked. These guys couldn't do it. Do you think you can do it? Do try and let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.